Hello again, everybody. Mouse in the Falls here. Just another update on the progress. I finally got the axle bolted in. I had to do a little modification on a couple of holes to make it work, because the way I drilled them was a little bit off center. There's one of them. I had to notch things out to make that one fit. And there's the other one. I might be able to reuse my brake cables, which are laying here. They go in that little C hole right there. There's another one on the other side to match. That's if I choose to put a brake on the outside. I might end up putting the brake on the inside. But right now, let's get the tires on here and see what kind of clearance I got. Once again, excuse the shakiness. My holder is sensitive. Give it a few seconds, it should stop and settle out. Okay, saved you the trouble of waiting for the other tire to go on. Yes, I know my nut in the center is not completely sunk down yet. That's all right. It's on there, it's tight for now. That's also so I can adjust where things are going to sit for the moment. But right now it looks like I might be able to put little disc brakes on the inside of the wheels. The hubs are slid all the way on. They're still free at the moment because I need to put a keyway in there and another stop collar. Be like that little booger there. Stop the axle from wandering. But it looks like I made the right guess when I ordered my axle. from Go Power Sports. And now we can see why I use pillow block bearings on my axle. Not everything sits straight with the frame. That's the beauty of these bearings. They allow for a little bit of twist when necessary. So without wheel spacers, I have room to put disc brakes in here. I'll have to measure the distance and see what size I can use. Now I can also get it off the jack over there, and the jack stand on this side, and roll it around again. And see how everything else is going to fit. Next time around, I'll be taking my transmission and motor, setting it in the hole. See what kind of clearance I have, what I need to do to make that fit in there. I've also devised a gas tank system for this thing, but that will be in a later video because I still have to get the cab made and redo the nose. It's a work in progress. It's getting there. So, for now, have fun, stay safe, get the kids involved, teach them how to do stuff like this, and enjoy. Mouse in the Falls, sign on off again for now. Have fun out there.